guys, this is Kimberly with Mental Makeover and welcome back to my channel. So today I am refilming a video I tried to film earlier this week with a green eye look. I know I've been messing with green a little while, but I tried to film it earlier this week and there was no audio, so I had to come back and do it again because I did do a lot of talking in that video. But I am going to be using the e.l.f. Opposites Attract palette, and it has 18 shades. This palette has 18 shades, 9 warm tone shades and 9 cool tone shades, split right down the middle. And I really have been liking this palette a lot. I found that this palette would be good for just everyday as well as special occasions. It has so many nice colors. The warm colors are really pretty. So again, I'm going to be doing a green look. Actually, I was supposed to get my other palette too. I'm also going to be using the Butter London. I think it's called the Enchantress, the Natural Goddess palette. That's what it is, the Butter London Natural Goddess palette. And I'll insert a picture of that right here. So if you are interested in seeing how I do this look, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so I just wanted to go ahead and show you the Butter London palette. This one also has a lot of pretty shades. Most of the shades are shimmers, if you notice. And you got 2 matte shadows. You do have this nice brown shadow that you can use as a kind of as a transition color. It is a little deep for a transition color, but I still think this is a really pretty palette. All the colors are really nice, and I don't use it very often, but I use it every now and then. So I'm gonna start off. I've already based my eyes with the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer, and the one I used, the one that dries down to a matte finish, so I'm not going to apply any powder to it. I don't feel like I have a need to apply any powder to it. And so I'm just going to take my blending brush and I'm going to take it into this color called Warm. It is a nice brown transition color, and I'm just going to take that into my crease. Okay, along the edge of that, I'm going to take this orangey color here called Cheeky, excuse me, and just take some of that and blend out the edge of that transition color. I didn't want to take a lot. Okay, so now that I have that transition color in there set, I'm going to go ahead and wipe my brush off, and I'm going to go into this green color, this deep green color called Wise. This is a pretty forest green type of color. And I'm just going to place that color. I'm not blending, I'm just placing it right on the end, right on my outer V. I'm not going to take it into my crease at all right now. I'm kind of taking it in a triangle. I'm just packing the color on. And then I'm just going to blend the color and wipe my brush off because I don't want any more color to get on there. And then I'm just going to blend around the color. Just going to blend around it right here. Let's take a little bit more of that color right on the end. Just so I can keep that intensity built up. Okay, now I'm going to take my I'm going to take the Butter London palette, and I'm going to use this color called Star. That's this green color right here. It's almost kind of like an olivey green shimmer color. And I'm going to place this on the remainder of my lid. Blending that right into the deep green color. Once I get that color out, I'm going to take my blending brush again. I'm going to wipe that green color off of it. Just in my paper towel. Because I want to blend around that green color, that light green color, to soften up the edges. So I don't have any shadow on there at all. Now for my brow bone, I'm going to take a little bit of this yellowy color called Happy, and just place a little bit of that on my brow bone, just around the edge of that upper color. Alright, so guys, I'm going to go off camera, do this eye, and then I'll be back to apply my eyeliner and my lashes. Alright guys, I'm back. So I have completed both eyes. Now I'm just going to do my under eye. For my under eye, I'm just going to place the same colors under there that I placed on top of the eye, just those two colors. So I'm going to go in with the color Star, that light olivey green color. And I'm going to place that right underneath the inner half of my eye. And then I'm going to go in with that deep color Wise on the outer portion. And I'm just using my flat shader brush to stamp that in. And I'm also connecting that deep color on the outer corner. I'm not using any liner today. To blend that out, I'm going to take my blending brush, I'm wiping it off, and I'm just going to go back into that brown transition shade that I used at the beginning. Alright, so the lashes, for my mascara, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal, the Voluminous L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise. guys know I like this this dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm just gonna apply this on my top lashes to prepare them for my frosting. Just doing one coat. And for my lashes today, I'm going to be applying the lashes from the Stayce collection. She is, or she was, a YouTuber. Cute girl, and she has a lot of cute lashes on her site. And so I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera to apply these lashes, and I'll be right back. Take one. Alright guys, so I've applied my lashes. Now I'm gonna apply that same L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara to my bottom lashes. Alright, so I'm going to go off camera and finish the rest of my face from my other video and come back to alright guys, so I'm back. I have done my hair, I finished my face, and now I'm just going to apply my lip. For my lip liner, I'll be using the Avon Glimmer Stick lip liner. Did I say eyeliner? I meant lip liner. I don't know what I said. For my lip liner, I'll be using the Avon Glimmer Stick lip liner in chocolate. I don't know what's up with me holding things slanted. This is just a chocolatey brown lip liner, similar to ColourPop's BFF4. And I'm gonna keep it simple with the lips since my eyes are so colorful. And for my lip, I'm just gonna wear just a nude lip gloss. Lipstick, matte lipstick. This is matte. Hold on a second, let me see. This is Matte Naked, Milani's Matte Naked. It's just a kind of pinky nude type of color. I don't know if you can see that. My hand is kind of dark. So I'm just going to apply this all over my lips. And I tell you, I feel like I look like somebody from the 60s or 70s. Wow. All right, I'm going to apply a gloss over this. So I'm just going to use the Juvia's Place lip gloss in Sis. Alright everybody, so here is the final look. I really like how this I do really like how this eyeshadow came out. Again, I know it's still kind of a play on the, it looks like still kind of a play on the green and gold, but I just like I don't know, I do like green. Like I said, green is another one of my favorite colors along with orange. And so I wanted to just play with it because that deep forest green is so pretty. And there are just certain colors like this Butter London palette I've had for a good while. I got it with BoxyCharm a little while ago, and I just have always wanted to play with that green color. I mean, with all of the colors, but especially the green color called Star. And so I'm glad that I got a chance to just do a look with this, and that it came out really nicely. So guys, I thank you for watching my video. If you liked it and you learned something, or you enjoy, or something like that, just give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more content. Share this video with others, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.